Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So today is the day that I finally get to decorate my dining room space for the Christmas season. But before I do that, I do need to declutter the space a little bit. I have some of my decor that I haven't used in the past couple of years and in my sideboard that I am going to be listing on my Poshmark closet. The link will be down in the description box so you can shop my home. I have these two pillows that I just listed on my Poshmark account. I got it from Z Gallery, I think a couple of years ago, but I've only used it like a couple of times. So I'm definitely going to be listing this for a really affordable price. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and check my description box. The link will be there for you to download the app and shop my home. And I also listed these bowls here. I got this from Ross. It comes in a set of 4. This is the gold, never used it. And then I have it in the silver as well, also in a set of 4. And I also added this to my Poshmark closet. It is a placemat that I got from Ross, a set of 2 here. I wanted more, but I couldn't find any more. And then these ones also are listed. I got this from Home Goods, I think, a couple of years ago. I wanted to get more, didn't find any more, only found 2 at the time. And I am also selling these. This came from Z Gallery. I have 2 of them. If you're interested in any of the items that you see here, check out my Poshmark closet. I am at Moji Style. The link will be down in the description box for you to download the Poshmark app and shop my home. I love that Poshmark allows me to shop my favorite brands and also my favorite creators. So check out the link in the description. So onto the Tablescape. I am starting with my table runner, which is actually a rug that I got from Ross a couple of years ago. And all of the items that I'm using here are items that I already have. I love shopping my home for decor. I am actually going to go ahead and set up the Tablescape, and then when I'm done, I will show you guys an up close look of how it turned out. So for the 2 end chairs, if you notice, I have a gold placemat and then the blue charger plate. It is okay to mix and match, and this is how it all turned out. All right, so let me bring you guys a little closer so you can see the place setting. All the items, like I said, I already have. I absolutely love the way that it looks. I started off with this blue placemat. I got it from Amazon a couple of years ago. And then I added this gold charger plates. This is also from Amazon. The link will be in the description box for you. My dinner plate and the salad plate actually came from Ross a couple of years ago. I'm not sure if they still have it. I'm also using this blue candle holder for LED candle and also to add that pop of blue. All right, so let me give you a closer look at my centerpiece. I wanted something simple, but still very like festive and Christmassy. So I decided to layer this garland that I got from Burlington over my table runner. And I also added this LED candle. I added 2 of them in the middle and 3 of this cone trees, and I feel like it really just flows very well with my formal living room space. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen the space. If you don't follow me, go ahead and check me out on Instagram. I am also at Moji Style. So I brought in that blue accent color into the space with the pillows. All the items came from At Home Store. I love shopping there, and I have my tree between my 2 chairs, and I just love the way everything flows together because both rooms are like beside each other. So I decided to just kind of make that blue flow into the dining space. And as you guys can see, I brought back my blue curtains. I love these curtains that I kept them, and I think it really helps pull in the blue color a little bit more into the space. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I am so happy that I decided to bring back my blue accents into the space. The flatware came from Walmart. And then the glassware are from Ross. I've had these for a couple of years. They're really, really beautiful, and I'm so happy to just be able to shop my home and decorate the space for the Christmas season. You guys let me know what you think about this tablescape and let me know what color you enjoy decorating with. I think blue is definitely one of my favorite colors to decorate with, and I am loving the two spaces here together with the blue accents. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And don't forget to check out Poshmark. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And again, check out Poshmark. The link will be down in the description box. Download the Poshmark app and shop my home. Thank you so much for watching. And I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year if I don't upload a video by then. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all.